Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of converting 2 yards to kilometers. Are you ready to convert 2 yards to kilometers? Let's dive in. First, let's recall the conversion factor. 1 yard is approximately equal to 0.00091144 kilometers. To convert yards to kilometers, all you need to do is multiply the number of yards by this conversion factor. Let's walk through an example. Suppose you have 2 yards of fabric that you need to convert to kilometers. We start by multiplying 2 by 0.00091144. This gives us approximately 0.0018288 kilometers. But what if you want to convert 2 kilometers of road into yards? No worries, it's just as easy. To convert kilometers to yards, you need to divide the number of kilometers by the conversion factor of 0.00091144. Let's walk through an example of how to convert 2 kilometers of road to yards. We start by dividing 2 by 0.00091144. This gives us approximately 2,187.2266 yards. Remember to round this number to the nearest whole number, so our final answer is approximately 2,187 yards. And there you have it. Converting 2 yards to kilometers and 2 kilometers to yards is a breeze once you know the conversion factor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more informative content. Thanks for watching.